Hi, welcome back to Business Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will run through Xero and the new dashboard. So as you can see, what we have is a new dashboard that's been presented to us from Xero. Not every account has been converted to this new way of working yet. So if yours doesn't look quite like this, then it is in the original and potentially more simple version of Xero. So what we have now, for those of you that do have Xero looking like this, we have a home screen button, which, as it says on the tin, you click on it and it'll take you back to the home screen, which is what we originally called the dashboard. And then we have your sales tab. So if you click on that, you'll see you've got sales overview, invoices, payments, etc. like that. And then on your purchases screen, we now have your bills in there, and then again, expenses and other items in there as well. You will now see a reporting tab as well. This again includes, as it says on the tin, all your reports. So I have my favourites as per the default still, which is why I have account transactions, payables, receivables, summaries, balance sheet, profit and loss, and my VAT return. You can change this when you go into all reports. And along the top, what you'll see is payroll. Now, if you don't see this, that is because your subscription does not include payroll, but Xero does allow users to have payroll. And therefore, if this is a functionality you would like to add to your subscription, you can add it and then this functionality will become unlocked. So again, it has all sorts of screens in relation to payroll, such as employees and leave and timesheets. Now, on accounting now, this has been reduced, and this will now include bank accounts, bank rules, chart of accounts, fixed assets, journals, find and recode, assurance dashboard, history, and notes, as well as accounting settings. Then we have your tax screen. Now, this is a really helpful screen to have, and this is where you'll find your VAT returns, and when we go into it, Make and Tax Digital screen as well. Then your contacts, this has stayed the same. You'll have all contacts, suppliers and customers still within this section. And again, you might not have this functionality uploaded in your subscription, but you can also have projects within Xero. And so again, this screen will then allow you to have all projects, time entries, staff time overview, and project settings also. There you have it. That is a whistle-stop tour of the new Xero dashboard. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd love to help you even further on how to use Xero in the more efficient ways. I'll see you at the next one.